He's getting off the highway. He's getting off here at Portland. Man, there's a ton of cars stopped here at Portland, Kelly. I don't know if you can hear me, but he's going to cut through the parking lot here, take out a stop sign. Hopefully. Oh my goodness! I hope. Yes. Quite a dramatic ending right here. As you can see, they've got somebody out of the car on the driver's side. This has come to an end. Right here at Chili's at Portland and the Kilpatrick. Is there any way? Wow, I would have never thought it would have ended that way, but luckily this ended. Looks like somebody's car was damaged here in the parking lot, but hopefully that's all the damage that is done. Nobody got hurt in this that I saw, Kelly. So right now we are quite lucky that nobody ended up getting hurt in this, with speeds reaching upwards of 120 to 130 miles an hour as we picked up this chase coming westbound on the Turner Turnpike.